Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I'll show you the property because last week that was a rainy day, so I did not get the aerial view or drone shot. So right now I'm going to show you the full video of this property. So this is a perfect for residential, vacation home, retirement home, or your dream home. You can build here. This is a seafront property or cliffside, situated here at the Loon, Bohol, Philippines. So from the road right of way, so this is the road right of way, guys. So this is the another road right of way, this one. So the property here is 1,222 square meter. If you like a smaller cut, so that is big enough for your dream home or vacation home or retirement home along the seafront. So this is 6 meters wide road right of way. So from there you see at the minivan. So this one also is a for sale, this one. So by the way, this property is containing of 4 lots. So every lot is 1,222 square meter, and this is has a individual title. The owner is still alive, so this is a clean title. So again, this is situated here at the Sandingan, Loon, Bohol, Philippines. So I'll show you guys the property. So very nice. If you are looking quiet and peaceful location, you can consider this property. So as you can see, guys, this is another property of 1,222 square meter. So there is existing of a jackfruit, fruit bearings, mango tree, and also there's moringa, olipira, and there is the pineapple, and also this one is guyabano. You see, that's guyabano fruit. And the guyabano fruit, guys, is there's a lot of health benefits. And also this one is avocado or avocado, this one. You have a lot of fruit bearings, and also there's a lot of banana, cacao. So this is the another property of 1,222 square meter. There's also a papaya. Mostly is a banana. There's a lot of banana, guys. Right, I'll show you. This is the backyard. So as you can see, there's a lot. This is a sweetie. This is good for otan or lauoy. So this is the back of the another 1,222 square meter. There's a lot of pineapple. So this one, as you can see, the mango tree is falling down. It's because that was of the super typhoon audit. That was year 2021. That was a super typhoon. That's why mostly the trees is falling down. So this is the boundary, guys, the coconut tree. So this is the backyard. You have a lot of fruits and also the plants. Okay, pineapple. Nice property. And look at this one. There's also a lot of onions. That's onions, and also there's look at that, it's flower or There's also a lemon, and here it's a guava. Look at that. So again, this is the house, but this house is also damaged during the Udi time, the super typhoon. That was year 2021. So the roof is damaged. So that's why if you don't like this house, you going to tear down or demolish and build another one. So this anyway, this house is not that's only a bonus. If you like the structure, the foundation, you can renovate or you can repair. Oh, nice color of cow. So this is the property of 1,222 square meter. Avocado. So this is the boundary, the coconut tree, until to the another tree. So the wide is 18 meters wide, the frontage, and this is the size of the property. The shape is look like a rectangular size. So that one. So 4 lots. If you like a bigger lot, you can consider purchase this 4 lots available for sale. But if you like only the 1 lot or 1,222 square meter, you can consider this one. So this one is big enough for your dream house. It's along the seafront. So this one, by the way, is another property of 1,222 square meter. So this is also a parcel. So again, if you like a bigger lot, you can purchase the whole lot, the 4 lots for sale. But if you like only the portion, the 1,222, so you can choose. Look at that. So the terrain of the property is only flat, but going down there, it's only a semi slope going to the cliff side of the property. So this is the property, guys, and I'll show you the seafront, the cliff side. And this one is elevated. It's overlooking to the mountain of Calapi, the mountain of Luon, and also overlooking to the island of Panggangan and also Kabilao. So as you can see, guys, from here it's nice. So here you can build your nice house right there, and also here you can build your infinity pool, and this is your view. Anyway, if you don't like the trees, you can cut the trees to avoid blocking your views, and you have the 180 degrees amazing view overlooking to the island of Kabilao. That island, that's a Kabilao Island, and also the Panggangan. And the other side right there is the mountain of Calapi and Luon. So maybe the rain is coming again. Oh my goodness. Anyway, since I'm here, I'll show you guys. So maybe today is it's a high tide. So I'll show you the seafront, guys. It's very accessible. You have the direct access to the cliffside. So I'll show you guys. This is the access. Wow. Oh, see? So this is your frontage, guys. It's along the cliff side. This is the property of 1,222 square meter. So anytime you can do fishing, catching sea urchin or crabs, or swimming. So this is your sea frontage. This is a cliff property. Look at that. Okay, going back, I'll show you also the another angle of the property, the aerial view. So maybe I'll wait the rains because this is there is a moderate rain. So maybe I'll wait a few minutes to fly my drone to give you the aerial view, guys. So this is the property. It's very perfect. It's elevated, cliffside, quiet and peaceful, and location wise, it's a few minutes drive going to the public market of Loon, and also to the bank, to the school, to the hospital, to the department store. So I guess that is only a 10 minutes drive from here. If you're going to Tubigon Seaport, that is only there's also a mall there, the BQ Mall, and also Alturas Mall in Tubigon, and also the seaport going to the Cebu. From Tubigon Seaport going to Cebu, that is only a 1 hour travel via by Pascrap, via by ferry boat, that is only 2 hours. So from here to Tubigon, that's only 30 minutes, more or less. If you're going to Tagbilaran City, 30 to 40 minutes drive. So not far. This is a good location. You are in between of Tubigon and also Tagbilaran. So this is Loon, guys. I have a new friend. Hello, my friend. How are you? Are you okay? Are you okay there? Oh, this is your food. This is a carabao, guys. Nice color. I think he's a female or male. I guess a female. She is friendly. Anyway, by the way, if you want to know more, guys, about this property, you can find below this video at the description section. You can find all the details and also the price. And if you are interested about this property, you can message me directly via my WhatsApp and also my email. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day. See you next video. is the cocoa guys, or cacao. There's a lot of cacao here at your backyard. And also the pineapple, banana, guayabano, avocado, mango tree. And also there's a lot of plants. So this one, limoncito, guava. And also, the good thing, the water connection is ready. That. So no problem about the water. And also, connection of electric is ready. So never mind the house, you can tear it down or demolish and build a new one, because this one is damaged during the audit time. That was year 2021. The only good news of this property is elevated cliffside seafront overlooking to the island of Cabilao, Panggangan, and also you have the mountain view. Look at that. And it's along the seafront. So here is a flat terrain, and going there to the seafront is a semi slope, and you can build there infinity pool, and you have the amazing view. So if you don't like that blocking trees, you can cut that one, so you have the unlimited view. So this property is for sale.